Hello people, I'm gonna do a quick video on how to fix a floor mat in case you need an idea. I mean, if you don't fix them, now you can. And every little thing helps the car, so here we go. Here we have the Maxima Axima. I'm gonna take my trusty super glue. I'm just going to squirt it right along the outline of this. This is a thicker super glue. I mean, it's not super thick, but it's thicker than just water. And then press it down. Actually, do a little bit more there. And now we have a Maxima again. Like I said, it's all in the details. Every little thing counts. People love their vehicles and they don't love to pay thousands and thousands of dollars for vehicles that look like they're at the end of the rope, or for vehicles that look like they need more money spent in them immediately after you purchase them. So that's a floor mat repair. Go out and do some damage, fix the world. Talk to you later.